So in this Webull tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to stop limit buy a stock on your Webull account using the Webull application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Webull on your device. Once that is done for this demonstration, I'm going to go to markets right here in the bottom right, go to the search bar in the top right, and how about for this example I search up, or I use Google stock as a demonstration, ticker symbol GOOG or Alphabet Incorporated, however you want to refer to. So once that's done, go to the bottom left, press on trade. Now if you want to purchase a stock using the stop limit feature, it's super simple. Make sure buy is selected, then where it says order type, it says limit right here. Press on the drop down, then go to the bottom towards the stop limit. So this says set a stop price higher than the current price. If the latest price rises to the stop price, a limit buy order is triggered. Press on that. Make sure that you are setting the limit price or the stop price. So if you want to set a price lower, you can do that, or so you can set a stop or limit price higher. Whatever the case may be, once that is done, go to quantity right here. Do as much or as little as you're looking for. Then go to the bottom, press on buy. Then where it says confirm right here at the bottom, you can press on that to confirm your order using the stop limit features. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to stop limit buy a stock on Webull. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.